Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one, I'm discussing with you how to transfer money to a Fidelity Roth IRA. So transferring money from your bank or another Fidelity account is quick and straightforward. So first, let me show you how to connect your checking or savings account so you can move money seamlessly. So open up fidelity.com or a mobile app, both work. In the top navigation menu, hover over Accounts and Trade and click Transfers. Under the Manage section, select Link a Bank Account. Enter your bank's routing number and account number, or log in directly with your online banking credentials for instant verification. Once verified, your bank account will be saved for all future electronic funds transfers. And after your bank is linked, let's move money directly to your Roth IRA. So go back to Transfers page and click Deposit, Withdraw, or Transfer Money. In the From field, pick your linked external bank or existing Fidelity account. In the To field, select your Fidelity Roth. Type in your transfer amount, then select your contribution year, such as current year or prior if you are contributing before tax day. Select either a one-time transfer or toggle on automatic deposits to set up recurring monthly contributions, review the details and click Submit. And lastly, pro tip, simply transferring money into your Roth does not mean your money is invested. When cash lands in your Roth, it sits as uninvested cash inside your core position. To start generating returns, you must navigate to Trade, search for your target index funds, and place a buy order to put your money to work. That is it, guys. Enjoy this one, and thank you for watching as always.